We're hiking Galtymore today. This is a tough trail. And we start here, we go at the tree line, go up, and then end up somewhere over here. We've got a good crew together for it. Clouds have come in, but that's okay. We're not going to let that deter our fun. Let's go get amongst it. So this is one of my favourite mountains in Ireland. And I've got lost so many times. It's great that they put signs down. But if you do here early in the morning or late at night, there's so many deer on this path. Maybe we'll see some later tonight. We're just about to get past the tree line now. It's gonna be cold. Yeah, upright. Yeah. So the plan is peak this, then go across up here, and up there is Galtymore. Let's go! We're getting there, slowly but surely. The steepness on this mountain, I always forget how steep it is. And we came from down there. Oh my goodness.
I reckon it won't rain.
Oh, boys.
I don't know how you're not going.
Because I'm moving. Flying much. We're halfway. The boys having a break. This is what I mean by the steepness. It's actually ridiculous. It's crazy.
This is better than what we were going.
No, it's not.
I'm further up. That's insane. Fucked up though, isn't it? It's not fun. Oh, I only started doing
Meditations for the Anxious Mind, that poem we did, and it was talking about like the reason like we're alcoholics, the reason we're drug addicts is because like we need, like we're still scarred from Britain.
Yes, yeah, generational trauma. Yeah. And that 100% is a thing, like.
Alrighty, we're halfway up Galtymore right now, and we're about to make a coffee.
Pepper, you got more grip than your own. Really strong. Company called the belly up, all the different like skins and like weighing scales, everything.
This is what it's all about, lads. Coffee in the middle of the day on a mountain. Having the chats, boys, that's what it's all about.
What else would you want?
What else would you want? You know what I mean? Whoa, actually so windy. That's boiling already. It's going to be a delicious coffee now. Look at that. The first coffee of the mountain. All right. Cheers, lads. Oh, that is so strong. Who wants to first go on, have the...
No milk, espresso. Oh, huge espresso.
Mega espresso.
Double shot now. Well, that's the milkshake. That was flavoured milk.
Here,
Oh,
something.
you bought.
I don't think so.
Matt, for you have coffee everywhere for some reason.
Well,
I feel like you just have it on tap somewhere.
We could walk down here.
I don't want.
I don't want to walk down. I'm good, not dying. Thank you very much.
Cheers, lads. Who knew Tipperary was pretty? Yeah, it's still cold. There's still nip in the air, isn't there? It has gotten absolutely freezing on top of the mountain. So we're going to head down. We got the cracker of a viewpoint, and that is Galtymore there. So it goes Galtymore, Galtybeog, and then Cush. We're going to come back during the summertime and do the whole range maybe get a camp on. But for now, that viewpoint will have to do. Good spa, good coffee.
Good coffee.